Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today topic is module text and module group in Revit architectural. Okay, for that see here we have module tab. First one is model text. Just selection, before that we want to set the plane. For that see here we have work plane option. In that select the set work plane. Then here we need to select the pick a plane, then OK. After that select the particular plane. If we need to check the selected plane, means see here we have show work plane option. Just select that, see the particular plane will be setted. Then go to the particular view of the plane. Then here you can go to select the module text. For example, cat nest, then OK. Then click here. After that go to 3D view. After that you just off the show work plane option. Then see here, go to realistic view. In that you need to edit like text sizes or else thickness, everything, means just select. See here we have in properties, under we have depth options. Just that is 6 inches are there. I just go to change, that is 2 inches, like 8 inches. Apply. See, it will be changed down. 2 feet. Apply. I think you got it. What is my depth? After that go to edit type. See here different kinds of font is there. Text font, click here. You just select your required design. For example, I'm going to select Times New Roman. Then text size, it means height of the text. This 2 feet are there. I just go to change it as 3 feet. 3 feet. Apply. If I need bold, means just activate the bold and italic. Apply. OK. See here it is. I'm going to just select and hide this object. Select. See here we have hide and isolate option. Hide the elements. See now it is clear. So if you need to apply material on the sessions, means just select. Directly here we have by category option. It means material under by category. Just click there. Then go to see here we have some default materials. In that which one is you need, you just double click on that. Wait, I just select this one. Just double click. See, it will be applied. Clear? I think you got it. How to text the 3D view and then varying the sizes and font style and then colors. Okay, next one is model group. Again I just go to restore the module. Go back, select, go to front view. Little bit I adjusted with the help of top left right arrow mark, then tilt. See here we have model group options. In that place a group, place a model group, means it is already we need to create one group. For that I'm going to select the create group option first. That name is 1. Okay. Here see we have add option. Select. For example, I need to select this front face wall only. Then select all, then give finish. After that see it is make the group. After that we need to place somewhere near here, means same thing. Go to group, place a model group. See, it's placed. Clear? Okay. Next I just select this. See here we have ungroup options. Ungroup means it's completely ungrouped. Okay. If you need to particular member, for example I don't want this group in door. For that time just select. Here we have edit group option. Select that, remove I don't want this door on this group. Select the doors, then give finish. See, now again I'll show you. Go to module group, place a group. I just place here. See, now the door will be left. Okay now, so I think we clearly got it how to add the module text and module group. Thank you for watching this session. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the updated notifications.